Hello, my people. Hello, my people. Hello, my people. Una good evening, abi good afternoon, una good day, good day, good day. Depends where you dey, depends the country you dey. Una good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Na me, una sister. Na me, una sister. Mama do as you reach. Una good evening, oh, good evening. Today na Sunday, Sunday of progress, Sunday of long life, Sunday of good health, Sunday where e be say anybody wey never marry, God go still bless am, God go still give am long life, God go still bless am with children. The person wey don still marry, wey never still get, wey no get children, God go still bless the family. The person wey never still marry, or wey marry wey never born, God go provide for am in the mighty name of Jesus. Sunday of long life, Sunday of progress will be unto us, success will be unto us in the mighty name of Jesus. So my topic today be say, e get some people, some men, they go dey talk life for their wife so that make they take get that woman. Once they don't get that woman, everything wey they talk, everything na lie. If they don't get that woman finish, they will come bring their character. They will come bring their dubious character. They will come bring their nonsense character. They will come bring their wayward character. So any English where I speak for here, because if everybody don't enter Europe, everybody don't go university. Me dey among of the people wey go university. So Mona know that one. The name of the university, I will ask my papa for us. My papa will tell me. So the university where I go. So now my papa write down for grants. So my papa will tell me the university where I go. So that university where I go, I'll still come live video. I'll still come tell una for video. Say my papa don't tell me, oh. So the university where I go, my papa don't tell me the name. So the name, now my papa will still spell am for me. I will still write am for grant. So everybody wey dey Europe don't go university. Me dey among of the people wey go. So me go come maths. Not be say yeah, I not go drop. So that one and that one. So Mona not mind my English. Mona listen to the thing where they talk. So now be say some men, some men, not be all of them, but the one where God bless day, the one where get good at day, all because of benefits. This benefit of a something, Mona stop am. Mona stop am. Use God beg una. No, don't use all woman take turn to single women. We know say we women, we get our own for body, je. We get am. We get our own for body. But now men they talk and they go say child benefit, no be benefit that they fight. But now lie, oh, inside house. Now they fight, but they go they pretend. They want to make that woman, you go say, warrior, now you they eat that child benefit. They forget, say, that child benefit, now you go take buy cloth for children. That child benefit, now you go take, they eat for house. About 7 children go, about 5 children go they plus the man and the woman, it go be 7. Or it go be 6, or it go be 2, or it go be 3. Now una go take they eat. You don't forget that one, oh, bet you only don't know, say, see the amount where it come every month. But you know they calculate, say that they buy something for the children. Maybe 1 month or 2 months enter. Before months end, you must get one thing where you will buy for the children. Even though you not buy for all of them. So what they pretend, they will say they not be like that, they know they cry, put inside their body, they cry, put. Because of child benefit, they don't use woman, take turn to single mother. Who na dey Nigeria. Your papa and your mama, they receive child benefits. If they receive child benefits, even though say the woman, they give them the child benefit self, the funniest thing, they know they use them for the children. They don't want to use them for the children. The funniest thing, they don't want to use them for the children. They use them for themselves. They go say, make the woman go the struggle. Because of this child benefit of a something, you go come up for your wife place, you go rent house. You go say, oh, you dey ba oh. I know they carry house with ambo. And me with an office oh. You go see majority male for year. They go there London. This one go there a car. The other one go there the other place. The other one go there that side. The other one go there Belgium. The other one go there Holland. The other one go there Sagbaku. The other one go there Chakbakwa. Because of child benefits. A lazy man, they cry for child benefits for crying out loud. A lazy man. Now they cry for child benefits. Go and work. Any country where you they go and work. There is a when go and do extra work 2 hours. They do one. That 2 hours now you go take the flex for your body. Now you go take the flex. Una way be woman too. Not be say they know they ask man money. They ask man money, but not be every month. Say you go say me your husband just base you for monthly salary. Who does that? You not get family for house. You not get your way go do for your body. Maybe they proud of himself. You woman too, you fit go work. Put picking for kindergarten. Put picking for nursery school. From nursery school, the one where they go primary school go their own primary school. You go work. They take they end your money when you go take they buy something for yourself. Not be saying you they take the child benefits. Now the woman owner they talk so. Not be saying you go they take the child benefit. Child benefit when they see they take. You go say every month the man must see they contribute money. You go base the man on monthly salary. Waiting. No kon ogyo on erige kamweguye. Enough is enough. Wanna stop this nonsense. Or they will the person where they buy something they pay. You know the people where know they buy they pay. No can let person know the one where they buy they pay. What did they bring all this nonsense? Not the same woman not they ask man money. You get the right to ask. You get the right to ask. But not be saying the man will just base you for monthly salary. Now you go they give you. You must give me money for this month. No. Go and work. Go and work for peace to reign. Or if you not go work, say you depend of government, fine. That money where government they give you, plus the child benefits, now you go schedule one. The way we will tell reach you use. If you not reach you use, ya win na. Ya win na. Enagbo, akwegba, iyakwegba. It don't do. Ave no, mave no, ave no, child benefit, ave no, child benefit. So what they pretend, so me go they pretend. His wife go say, help me bath the children. He go say, lie, I not get chance for one sleep. So my leg they pay me, my leg they pay me, my leg they pay me. Oh, you can't do this one. No be only one they eat the child benefit. I bet carry me you go bath them, bo. Oh yeah, I bet call me wear them pint now, make they go school now. Call me put their school bag for their bag. Child benefit don't finish. Oh yeah, no be you say you want use it take carry the child benefit. Oh yeah, they carry on. They go they pretend. They go they pretend. Why are you pretending? Why? Why you they pretend? Why you they pretend? And if that woman don't catch and say, that man they pretend, oh, you go come be like say when they use Medi, they tell they follow the woman. That's why I want to play this music. MC Papilo. Where God go bless. Say anybody at all. Where you do good for. Where they use debt, they find out. Now you go carry debt. Because if you know say you know they married that woman, leave her in peace. If you know say you know they married that man, leave her in peace. Anybody where they use Medin, they tie your husband, or you use Medin, tie your wife. And that one, and that's why I just talk and swallow that spit rich. But now MC Papilo will come tell you the remaining one. MC Papilo, where God go bless abundantly. Where go they sing John this music. Go they bring better music where they give inspiration. Where go they give where go they give person sense. May you tell no say man. Who does that? Why you go base your husband on monthly salary? What did they bring that nonsense? That man not go progress for where you did. That's why they see some men they go wrong. They go wrong. A big guy say nyek body too hot and you go wrong come out. They will say, hey, Oleo, ba me child benefit and not be child benefit he run for. Because body they hot time. You don't know, you can't look around who you want expressing feelings for. Oh yeah, go me walk back. Oh yeah, me I pack my load overnight. Oh, pem. He don't run, oh no. You know, now the sweet one where people will say, hell. Now the sweet one, now you go talk come out. You don't go talk, say, body they hot time. If they pepper run for body, that's why you run come out. Now the sweet one, Now you go talk come out. You go say na that matter wrong. You don't go talk say na because of the monthly salary where you pay sample say he must give you. Because there are some men too, na that one now just come for pretender. Go play the woman while you. You go use anything by team, make sure you get that woman. After you don't get that woman finish, you go bring the character come out. What will profit a man if you lose your soul? What you want profit you? Anything where you gain, anything where you do, when you take cash that woman. Oh, nemesis all day. Nemesis is a baweri auto. When me if nemesis tie you down, you will forget everything what you fed do. Love your wife, my brothers and sisters. Mona love una wife, mona love una husband. Any man where say no needs you. If you die, another person they move. Oh yeah, as you they die, you say they console am. As that woman they die, where they close the eye, another woman they console am where your eye fed day. Ye mieri yo tone, weti awagaga, ye yo koni yo tone. O weti ye console wa oh yeah, kiyamane. Ono na amane. Iye Buhari o amane. Egbe iwowe. Omani are mi oni okin daise. So, vosie no manazin egbe. Eda uzin egbe yewa. Or you move. Averi mayari okwe ha ya madu egbe ni Madonna ve webona. Ya madu egbe no iwa re ni kiana. Emi no kwoni ka in 20 years u ya go egbe muere. Emi no kwoni ka in 20 years back u ya go egbe muere. Oni okpia no wa. Oni okpia no ma enegbe. Ugwe go oni gun ogbe wo titi. They be no ikian we was so there. And if they want make nonsense parable, they will say if you don't dey tire for the woman, if you want make parable, you will say no be all dirty where water carry, like they carry reach the end. So for that, he don't tire. But if you want judge for outside, you will say it dey dirty. Either you will say the woman dey dirty, or the woman they do this one, or the woman not they neat, or where they stay too dirty, they try to correct her, and the woman too they dirty, or you know sabi give style, you know sabi give better style, and the style where they give it too me I play this MC Papilo music bowl, because if I say me I talk to all these people today, it not good. May we change. May I play MC Papilo where God go bless abundantly with his family. It's not good. May we change. May we love our wife. To marry a woman na bad thing. Why you fair go follow her? Why you fair go follow her? You know say you go jump. No igwa lomogu. Imai yomabo. Imai yomabo. No gbe kiarie, bienene no gbe kiarie o. Come no go alone. Who say me I die? Now you go die. Even though na my husband, even though na my own blood, you say me I die. Now you go fair die. Do I no let know who they pray say me die? If everybody wake up, you say God, things don't see break. Anywhere where they go, me with my children, Father, lead us go and lead us back. Let all my children prosper. Let me all my children, make them be VIP. VIP for good health, VIP for success, VIP for progress, VIP for peace, VIP for joy. Then wetin go make man come dey pray for his wife say he must die. Now you go die. Or woman go dey pray for your husband say you go come out. Before you lead to that distance say if you not do you go die. Why? Now so one that the way because of benefit, this benefit now the man kill his wife. Who no hear that rumor? Who no hear that this thing I mean to say? I say rumor. It's not rumor. So because of child benefit, we take pay contribution, we give am a whole, not be kill am for. Who no hear am? Why? e mo ko ni akan we ku efua we pa u pa se ae na ya mi odokin re bo odokin wa yu po boya la odokin na ri gbele gbeji you go and leave the woman in a peace before you use or you just spoil that man leave that man in a peace too leave her in a peace don't be a pretender soul any pretender soul in our life I don't pray to one side I pray both woman and man any pretender soul in our life we command them to run mad we command them to run mad by thunder by fire in the mighty name of Jesus any pretender soul in our life oh God my Father any pretender soul we command them to run mad because if pretender soul dey your life before you catch them oh that person don dey go grave make your jump one leg don dey the other one dey outside the other one leg the other leg dey grave any pretender soul if e dey your life you are a goner you are a goner if any pretender soul dey your mind you are a goner you are just a goner na by God grace na that person go take survive take it or leave it my people take it or leave it my brother take it or leave it my sister take it or leave it if any pretender soul dey your life only the way wey you fit take cast am na Jesus if any pretender soul woman dey your life that person na God go help am if any pretender soul man dey your life na God na only Jesus wake up in the midnight pray serious pray strong in prayer na dem no fit agbodi anoro ba gbe no rowe no rakara wo ogi agbe a ologo ke gbe no rakara because wo agbodi an gbegbe wo ma agbodi an gbegbe or no wanna stop this nonsense wanna stop if Lord don't let you pass am back when you take dey pretend dey follow the woman carry the woman put am for krikri inside house for krikri you go see am you go say oh can I fear where you are my wife go sleep with another woman do you know why Ama go tey you go say you no go sleep with your wife again 1 month 2 months 3 months 4 months 5 months 6 months wey una dey the same house wetin dey bring that nonsense wetin dey bring that nonsense enough is enough for this nonsense enough is enough mona stop this nonsense mona stop am na so women still be go say no dey gree for the man again nonsense no igi kwenu den oga yari okuobe eniyan den wo yi oyari okuobe o misunderstanding kere ma wa me o na small misunderstanding na we get o the man don go mona make we stop this nonsense enough is enough for this stupidity everybody wey come from Africa nobody wey no go university as I talk just now me wey dey talk so I go university I go the university where I go na my papa know the name na my papa know the name of the university I will still tell my papa will tell me the name of the university where I go so if I tell my papa I will tell my papa may spell am for me my papa will spell the name for me then I will still come talk am here for live video say the university where I go I don't forget the name of the university but my papa know am I will tell my papa may tell me the name of the university you understand my papa will tell me the name of the university I will still tell una so I just can't do this short video reach if you know say you no need woman not be say you go go kill am or you go dey do voodoo make you take kill am or you go dey do medicine make you take kill the man no mona stop am mona stop to dey pretend now so una no dey cry for child benefit inside una body una dey do una dey excuse the woman una dey excuse am if una ask her no give una no go sleep with am again then una go say you no get anywhere where they go sef I don put money for years I don't put money for years you no get wetin dey bring that nonsense wife here o omomo wayekin una supposed to leave that mentality for Muritala Mohammed Airport if woman do you something na then I do you something when you say you no dey sleep with am again na then you with am quarrel onion season waiva akara onion season waiva na under then I cause quarrel for between you and your wife when you say you no go sleep with her no be mad una take quarrel no be that mad una go take settle na there una for quarrel when you go say you no dey sleep with am again when you say you no go sleep with am again you say you no go sleep with your wife again na under there you with under there na una quarrel be na mad una take quarrel na to sleep together una take quarrel you go because of that 1 month 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year go come complete when you with and they sleep for the same house. You go say make the woman they swallow spit. Who they do that one? Who they do that one? Una go dey shout, hey, ole, oh, ya feel where you are, oh, ya feel where you are. Who know the secrets? Sometimes una I beg, if any matter come on at the sit down, on they put on for una shoe. Wear that shoe. Wear that judgment where that person judge for you. May you wear around. You go say, okay, may you put on for yourself. Then may you judge. Now some person they take the judgment and not be say no. No, my people, no. If person can't judge, then you go try. May you tell that person, put on for your shoe, and you run out. Tell her and say, before this woman go sleep with another man, how long it day when you take sleep with this woman? Because anything where you do, when you take talk like against that woman, or when you take talk like against that man, nemesis they come. That nemesis, if they come, man, you go forget. You go say, I don't do anything, oh, with that sickness. Oh, what can very person wants to go say, I die. But if sickness come, you not go feel sweat sickness. Nemesis, they anything where person they do for this life, nemesis they. Now no hear where MC Papilo singer and just now say anybody where you do good for say he want kill you. He go use the hair take carry that good. He go use the hair take carry that debt. He go use the head take carry that debt. So now he good. Say me with the take time. That's why I just come make this short video rich. The one way good for inside, Mona collect them. If you watch and the one way good, collect them. The one way not good, still leave them for them. Me another person still come pick you for there too. May still collect them. Second person watch. The one way you like, pick and may you take get. Because any man where they treat fuck and fuck up too. It's 50-50. This life is 50-50. Okweju ukie mokbia. Okbia veju uvekie mokuo. 50-50 no se na yu jinekbe. A mentality ni mame wagima se aye Moritala Mohammed Airport. This life is 50-50. Give your wife the due respect as a woman, and the woman will give you as well. I trust my women. I trust my women. We women, we too light to deceive. We too light. Before man talk anything for man, we don't. The spirit that God, that spirit where God give us of pitiness, we don't go down. We don't go down. That deceive, before they deceive us more, we don't go down. We don't weak. Why? May go come they use that advantage. Before you do finish, you not go sleep with your wife again. Before you don't want, you not go sleep with your wife again. Before you don't want, you not go talk to your wife again. Two of them go there and say they be greatest enemy. Why? What did they call that a character for Moki Banana or Jogede? What did they call that character? That one a bad character. That one a bad character. Mona try, mona change. Mona try, mona change. They take and they make parable say if you are a Rome, you act as a Rome. Happy? They will say they know they live fake life. All this baby go Igbo, this baby grammar. Eh? Whereas when they live fake life. Eh? I think that the people who go university now they speak that baby grammar. Oh. That's why they see the speaker because I go. So if I don't ask my part the university where I go, I can't tell you now. So Mona take care my people. Mona bye bye. Mona remain blessed. Mona look this video. Mona take get sense. And Mona take change your home. Change your home. Change your home. If they talk about wanting, try may you change your home. Try may you change your home. 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 Build your home yourself. Eh? Take music. Go. Build if you don't know. Some people now, before they don't want it, I want come apa. I want come apa. I want come apa. Oh. I want baba. Baba. Oh. See what you do to me. Oh. My wife, me with her quarrel. Papa will say, don't sleep with him again. I don't tell you, not sleep with him. You go call him, my mama will say, no sleep with him again. Just go like that. Oh, I don't go try him. I don't go sleep with him. I don't go sleep with him again. No. What are they use and they do? I don't they sleep with him again. Lie. I know they do that. Waiting. Now, so you tell marry your wife where your wife day till now where you with and day together. And you will marry. You will marry your wife for house. You not tell your wife say you will go to take distinction from your papa and your mama where you take they leave your home. Why fear una not the wise? Before any small you go just call the papa. Papa oh, say this thing oh, what you just do today oh, what my wife just do today. I don't place her for I don't place her for a position. I don't sleep with her again. Leave her. Leave her, me go marry another one. Leave her, leave her, leave her, leave her. Leave her, me go marry another one. Leave her, me they go. Oh yeah, drive your wife, drive your wife. Pack your wife, load, come out. Oh yeah, say me they go house. Waiting. Where you say me pack that children go? Where you say me pack that children go? Who you say me come be papa tomorrow? Who you say me come be papa? And so I make this short video reach my people. Una bye bye, una remain blessed. I cover every marriage with the blood of Jesus. I cover every single woman, single mother with the blood of Jesus. May God protect you and your children also. The people who never still marry, God may direct good husband to you so that may you for still marry. So no home way good. Not look any home you will never marry. Maybe they look home say this one no good. No, you don't know the one way God won't give you. That's why you will wait. 40 years, 45 years, 50 years. What who you can't wait for? You want to marry smallly? No, you don't get that chance again. So you not go look another person marry say no favor her. For that reason, you go say no, maybe no, I'm back. So you don't know the way God take prepare your own way. You don't know. You don't know because God they prepare everybody. You know, only say we can't they make along, we can't they make mistake. Maybe the husband where you're not supposed to follow, you will go follow and mistake will come there. The one where you're supposed to follow, because of sweet mouth, where that one don't use sweet mouth, you know, can let you reach where you're supposed to reach. So, it's not good. It's not good though. The man where they get sweet mouth, take deceive woman. You will born for you like rabbits. Try and change. You go get your wife for us. You go carry Oyibo. You go get your wife for us. You go go to carry another woman. One go there Belgium, one go there Italy, one go there Rome, one go there Zakibia, one go there Ojukuland. Mona change. A child benefit. So now if the people where come they give the child benefit come here to say not be law where they their country, therefore not give again. Therefore not give again because you don't spoil many home. Therefore not give. So we just cry because of child benefits. Abemona change. That's why I come make this video. Richuna, bye bye. Bye bye. On a good night of blessing. Mona watch the video. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Do As You Reach TV. Subscribe. I love you guys. I love you with my button of hearts. God know my mind. Those who love me, I love them. Those who don't still love me, I love una. May God bless all of una. May you people live long. Pray for your marriage. If you never still marry, pray. May you get good husband. If you be single woman, pray. If your husband, if you will pray, may he come, you go pray. Now you dey inside. Now you wear shoe. Now you know as they pepper you. Pray about it. If you don't want pray, you live on. You pray, make good one stick on your life. So bye. I love you. Bye.